So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing the secret email system which is launching today, that is the 28th September, and they have got an extra offer which expires on 29th September, as you can see here. So what is secret email system? It is an ebook about ethical email marketing which will help you drive revenue, sales and commissions, and eventually help you build a 7-figure online business in 2021. All this ebook will help you do is sit, relax, and earn money automatically 24/7. So it was for it was for $37 initially, but you're getting it for $5.60 today if you download the ebook now. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Also, I'll leave a link to my uh, email subscription page in the description. Do subscribe. I give out personalized offers all the time, so you'll get offers that only and only help you, and no spam whatsoever. So what is the secret email system? As I told you, it is a counterintuitive approach in creating and running an online business. It is a business. It'll help you create a business machine that works for you 24/7, so that you can enjoy your life. And as you can see here, all you have to do is give your email, give your phone number, go to the next page, and pay the price, that is $5.6, and you'll get the ebook instantly. You don't have to wait for days to get it delivered. It is essentially a shortcut. Why? I'll tell you. Because the old way would be to work hard to learn the model, create a page, create a landing page, create a sales page, upsell page, make ads, sell product, manage support, and then get paid. Whereas this will help you create a marketing model, build a list, mail the list, and get paid, which is automated. You don't have to work. These are listed below here. So Matt Basic used to work for 60 to 80 hours as any average man, but now he makes a 7-figure income just by using the secret email system, by using which you can promote affiliate products, flash drive, CDs, etc. As you can see, there are a lot of things. All you have to do is, it took him 3 years and $65,000 of trial and error to figure out everything, and now it just takes 15 minutes in the morning to send the emails, 15 minutes at the night to send an emails, and everything is done for you. As you can see, there are sales mail, payment mails from various affiliate programs. You can see the screenshots here. You can see the money they are earning, right? And they're getting 43,000 subscribers in the email marketing just by using the counterintuitive approach, as I said. Here are some of the testimonials and the people who have used it, just like Devin Brown, who used these strategies to create 7-figure online business in just 8 months. So as you can see, obviously you'll have to put in some of the efforts to start, but once you start, it will get the money for you. You don't have to work hard enough. As you can see, you can see the instances where he generates almost up to $1,000 a day. Again, there's Anthony McCarthy, who uses system to get his six-figure month by getting $500 to $5,000 a sale. Similarly, Roberto Pastrana, who got $800 per hour without even having done email marketing before. So it is a beginner friendly approach. It does not require you to have any kind of previous knowledge or experience of email marketing. So all you have to do is just pay $5.6 today, and the ebook will be yours, and you can start earning right away. How is it different from other methods? Because they don't focus on traffic strategies, they don't focus on Facebook, Google, or YouTube ads, they don't focus on creating your own products. They don't focus on building blocks. They don't do any type of content marketing. Instead, they set up a semi-automatic market money making machine that does only one thing: turn leads into sales. As you can see, secret emailing system gets rid of almost all the things that a company needs, and it'll give you the money directly. You don't have to have any other expenses. It helps you create an automated digital business, so you don't have to pay anyone anything extra. The work is done for you and you get all the money for yourself, so that you can enjoy what you love doing. So you don't have to follow all these steps and these many steps to just uh, fail over and over again and not get the money. All you have to do is just buy this ebook now and get started right away. As you can see, $5.6 and you're saving $31.4 today, and the offer expires tomorrow, so get it right away. I'll leave a link to it, as I said, in the description. Do subscribe to my email list. I will keep sending out offers specially for you on a regular basis. And if you buy this, just DM me the transaction page on my Instagram. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and then I'll give you a personalized bonus from my side. As you can see, these are the participants who have used and who have earned money by using the secret email system. So you can see what Mr. Basic had got after using secret emails. And now he has 3 companies, private plane, he has his own pilot, he has 7,650 square feet. So it guarantees you your financial freedom. As you can see, how much revenue he's got now. He initially started just by himself, but now he's got a whole company. He's got a private jet, but he wasn't happy, so he wanted to do something that he was happy with, and he started the secret email system. As you can see, he's given the differences of all the how the old way worked and how the new way worked. As I said, you don't have to do anything. Everything is automated for you. All you have to do is just set it up and let it work for you. So it is a lifestyle building machine that generates cash every month after month, year after year. You have to set it up, and then it'll make money for you. All you have to do is get the ebook right away, and you'll be good to go. Because the thing is, even if you're selling your own product, you're getting $100. If you're promoting, you're getting $100, but that is the same $100. So now it is up to you to either make products and sell it, or just promote products and sell it. And it is better to go for selling other people's product and collecting commission, because you don't have to think about after sales services or customer services. All you have to do is sell the product and get the money, get the commission. So all you have to do is, as I said, he has described it in a very, very good fashion. All you have to do is just download the ebook now. These are some of the testimonials people have said. Making $1,000 to $3,000 a day, people are making money. It is not a scam or anything. It is a most legitimate and easy to start online business, and you don't have to know anything. That is the easy step. All you have to do is get this ebook and get started right away, just for $5.6. Build a list by using other people's lead that are not being monetized. Find a product to promote and collect money. That is it. So this is what this ebook teaches you, and it is a lot. You'll have to pay anywhere between $100 to $200 just to learn anything anywhere else, but you have to pay $5.6 just here. So I'll again tell you guys to download the ebook right now, and this offer is going to last only till tomorrow, that is 29th September, after which the price will increase up to $37. as you can see, there are exclusive bonus included. There are 10 bonuses included, and if you buy it and send me a screenshot, I will give you 11th bonus just from my side. So, and it has a money back guarantee, guys, so you can be assured that if it doesn't work out for you, the $5.6 will be returned to you within 30 days and no questions asked. You'll also get an advanced 90-minute training free during this training. The author, Mr. Basic, will walk you through exactly what's working to scale your agency right now. So if you want to scale your offer or scale your business, he'll help you out. So this offer expires on 29 September, as I told you. The price is just $5.6. It has already got 193 customer reviews with a 4.5 rating already. As you can see, these are the all things included and money back guarantee. So guys, I will leave a link to it in the description. Go buy it and send me a screenshot. I'll give you an offer from my side. Thank you guys so much for watching.